Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 29th of September 2024. I'll be going over week 38's results for the SPY front testing strategy. Now, without further ado, we can see that on the 23rd we had a buy signal where we made a 0.056% profit. Then the next day we had another buy signal where we made a profit of 0.142% or $1,489.12. 25th, we had a sell signal where we made a profit of 1,998.7 or 0.19%. Now, the next day we had a buy signal where we made a loss of $3,764.8 or 0.363%, and the last day we made a loss of 0.336%. So, our cumulative portfolio return went from 4.07% to 3.759%, whereas the SPY return in this time went from 14.179% to 14.746%, and our alpha went from minus 10.109 to minus 10.987, which has decreased. So, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.